What's up guys, and welcome back to another vlog. Today here we got my cuñado Caesar. You guys might know him, all my followers from Perris. Comment down below if you guys know who this guy is. Also known as El Güero Animas. What are your other nicknames?
Used to have a Silverado, black Silverado lifted. It was pretty famous out there. I don't know.
Here's a picture of it if you guys recognize it. Alright, today we're going to be lifting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I did get a package from Rough Country. So here is all the suspension setup. And we're going to be installing it in my cuñado's truck right here. So we got the front wheel off. We ran into a little bit of technical difficulties here, trying to get a key for this because somebody didn't have the key. I'm not gonna say who, but luckily the tire shop around here had it. So we're gonna be changing the spindle here. So that's the spindle, and then we have a spacer that's gonna go on top. We're going with the Rough Country 6-inch lift, and should be pretty easy. All we gotta do is take out our tie rods, the shock, the sway bar, the upper and lower control arms, and take off this brake. So let's go ahead and get started.
Those of them are nice and tight.
How'd you torque these with?
Would you believe me if I told you I had to tighten them with just a regular?
Yeah, I would believe you. You probably kicked that. Alright. Ooh.
No, doesn't want to come out?
No. Alright, let me take a break. It's a hot day today. Alright, she's out. Alright, let's see. Step one. Remove the skid plate with the 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. 13 millimeter. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Alright, remove EPAS plug. EPAS plug. Remove this plug. There you go, dude. I'm gonna get shit in my face. You should wash this truck, dude.
Dude, another day I run over a dead dog.
Oh my god. That explains the hairs down here.
That shit reeked, bro.
That explains all the hairs right here, dude. Oh my god. Alright. Woo! Step number 2. Done. Yeah. This is a tie rod, so we have to push this out so the wheel can move around. Someone grab a hammer. That hurt? Let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna put this back on here so we don't lose it. Let's go to the other side. Remove the ABS and brake line from the knuckle using an 8 millimeter wrench and 10 millimeter wrench for the brake line. So 8 millimeter and 10 millimeter.
They said it takes 10 hours for pros to switch it. Oh my god, it takes like a week.
It's gonna take us a good 3 days, dude. For sure. Go on the other side. Use a 19 millimeter socket and 21 millimeter wrench. Remove the brake caliper as shown. Alright, let me bring another thing. ¿No tenés esto, po? right here. All right.
Think this one's gonna be more complicated than your Silverado? Or is it looking like the same thing?
No, same.
That's not me.
They all have the same thing there. Fit here.
Wanna hit it right here?
Yeah, hit it like right here. Where it falls down.
Hit it hard or?
Yeah. Hard as you can. There we go. Sway bar. Let's remove these lower control arms. You get it?
Yep.
This in the lower part. Ah, God.
You
Man.
wanna fix your help you there?
Dude.
What?
This is what I need to fit in here. You know, I don't think I fit in here. Not with this massive wrench. I don't think I can fit here. You know what I need?
Oh.
I'll tell you what I need.
What? Beer.
That sounds pretty good, dude.
Alright.
Dude,
Yeah?
you need to think outside the box with this. They give you instructions, but they don't give you instructions on how to think outside the box. You know?
Yep.
There we go. There we go. This is you, Caesar. This is the guy she told you not to worry about.
Suegro coming in clutch with the beers.
Fucking trying to take out this shark, but it's too stuck on here. Alright, we're gonna remove the hub assembly right now from the spindle. Huh?
Off the spindle, right?
Off the spindle. Whoa, look at that. A NASCAR, dude. Oh, damn.
That was pretty fast.
I'll apply for NASCAR next time. Alrighty. Let's put some of this Loctite on here.
What is it that you're putting on it?
Loctite. Keep your butthole tight, dude.
Oh yeah.
Right here. Oh. Depending on the brake caliper size, the knuckle may be drilled. Okay, where was the... These were the knuckle ones, right? And... No, it fits perfect, bruh! No need to drill. Explain what happened, dude.
So, we broke a f***ing ball joint off the... What's that thing called?
Driver side lower control arm.
So Junior made me run to AutoZone real quick to rent out the ball joint kit, which was a f***ing mission because nobody had it. They had to send all the way to Norwalk.
You have to go back to Norwalk to like drop it off?
No, I asked him. He said no, most likely not. That just go over there. But if they they do trip, then I have to take it over there. Then yeah.
What's up?
You don't have any money.
I don't have any money. No.
Okay?
I don't.
No,
why?
I know you do, Dad.
Nope.
I know you do, Dad.
don't have any money, bro.
I know you're lying, Dad. I know you have money.
How do you know?
Because I know.
It's not true. Somebody's lying to you.
Well, the paletero came or what? The ice cream man came? Who came? The Rospalo guy? The Rotero Pri?
What do you need money for?
Oh, it's for the game. Whatever you
How about we believe, like make believe?
Make believe?
Yeah, we make believe we have money. I need another wrench, fam.
Let's even make believe.
Bigger one or what?
No, same size.
Let's even make believe.
Look at here. Upper ball joint is going out right here, sir. You be taking those topes way too fast.
Has to be stiffer than that or what?
Yeah.
Dad.
Look at our brand new lower, okay?
Okay, fine then, Dad.
Can't
Let's
remove it,
do
huh?
make believe money.
You see that?
Yep.
Look at this one.
How far along would you say we're done? Percentage wise? With the front?
With the front? Like 75.
Ooh, 75 is a good number.
75 for
That's
the
a
front.
that's a C plus.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Well, I'm gonna do a sway bar on the bottom, bruh. I need you to get those struts. Alright guys, we're all done with this. We got our new spindle. We got our new lower control mounts right there. And our spacer up here for our strut. So she's all ready. We haven't torqued anything down yet because we're going to put the tires back on. And then we're going to go ahead and torque everything up while the truck is on the ground.
So, bro, we're on the back side already?
Yup. Trying to finish this before it gets dark. Out with the old, bro. What do you think, bro? Does it look like it goes like that? Yeah. But we need to lower this a lot more than. Alright, here's the final result. 6-inch lift. I'm gonna pull it back in the driveway to properly show you guys what we did. I wasn't able to record too much because me and Caesar tried to finish everything in one day, which honestly we did. It took us exactly 9 hours to finish the whole lift with torquing the bolts and everything. So that's not too bad because the instructions did say it would take professionals 10 to 20 hours to do a whole lift. So pretty proud of that, honestly. So I'm gonna pull it up to the driveway, show you guys a walk around, and then we'll talk to Caesar and see how he likes it.
Hard to fade away, fade away.
Brenda, what do you think of Caesar's new truck?
I like it.
Oh, he's got the whole gear already set up for it. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Caesar, why don't you explain what we did here?
So first we had to do, bro, we had to take off the spindles, of course, the dust cover, you know, we had to do all that, all that good stuff.
Yeah.
but we kind of ran into some technical difficulties on it. But
What happened to the ball joint?
broke that. We snapped it off, bro, by accident.
Yeah.
Had to go to AutoZone.
Uh-huh.
They sent me to like 4 different AutoZones because none of them had the fucking part.
Where can I get those? Where can I get those glasses at?
I'll put the link in Project VC's Instagram page.
Okay.
But they're heat waves, just
Ooh,
in case. anybody
ooh,
wants to
right
know.
there.
Laser face, custom made, bro. These are white splatter.
Dang, that Perry's gear right there.
Oh yeah.
That Perry's fit.
Yes sir, yes sir.
All right. So that's the 6-inch lift right there. What about the back? What we did in the back? Ooh-wee. Right there's the back. So what do we do here?
Lift locks, you know. Had a little trouble with the emergency brake, but
So what do you think? What do you think of it so far?
love it, bro.
All right. They have it, 6-inch lift. He's gonna be selling these tires, huh?
Yep. Did my line on offer up.
What size are these tires?
Those are 27s, and these are 30s, I believe.
Yeah, right here.
Got a little thread on them still.
We got a lot of thread on them, and those over there. So, where can they find you? Hit your Instagram right here.
CJA_17.
Okay, I'll put it right here.
Hit me up.
Put his plug up in here.
Here's a family.
There we have it, guys. All completed now.
Send me a picture.
She's off to go off-roading. So, maybe in the future we'll show a video here of Caesar going off-roading on this. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet. We've reached 13,000 subscribers now, so that means we're doing another giveaway. So we're gonna be giving away another shirt or decal, whatever you guys want. So again, these are gonna be the rules, same rules as always. You guys have to be a subscriber. You guys have to comment on this video down below, and you guys have to follow me on Instagram. I'll post it right here. Follow me on Instagram. And comment on the most recent picture I have there. That's the way you guys are gonna be entered. So make sure that you guys comment down below again, and make sure you guys go on Instagram. So I'm gonna choose somebody from my Instagram, random winner by the next video, and you guys will be the giveaway winner and win free merch, whatever you guys want. Make sure that you guys keep subscribing, keep liking the video, because we wanna get this channel big. We're at 13 already, so let's get to 14 real quick. For those of you that haven't copped your merch, make sure you guys go on the website, cop your merch, get your decals. I'm gonna be posting on my Instagram, anybody who has their decal on their truck, I'm gonna start posting you guys. So if you guys are representing, I'm gonna make sure that put you on my Instagram. So make sure you guys send me those pictures so I can go ahead and just post them right there with the decal. That's gonna be it for this video, and stay tuned for the next one.
Met a limitation, hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my